Okay, so these are the 10 or so clips that I have for my project. Now again, if I want to play this at any time, I can just take my playhead, put it right around here, and I can push play or the space bar, and that is going to play my video. Everything that we see right over here is how the video will look once it's exported. Now, the only thing that may be a little bit different is you can see this skip from clip to clip. There's, again, a little bit of a delay or a little bit of a lag. Don't worry, when we export this video, it's going to look much better. So there are a few different things that you can still do with this video. So we've got our individual photos for the slideshow. What happens, like, if I want to take this photo right over here and maybe just kind of add it before different photos? So it's very easy. I can do that by just kind of holding down that photo and just dragging it to a different spot. How about like right over here? There we go. And now the photo that was towards the end is now the photo that's more towards the beginning. Or maybe I look at this and I said, you know, this might be a cool way to end this short 40-second video. So again, I'm just going to take that. I'm going to drag it all the way over here to the end. That is the end of my video. But look at this. There is a little gap. Fortunately, what Clipchamp does, you don't have to select everything and drag it over. I mean, you can if you want. You could also drag it one at a time, but that would be extremely inefficient. But Clipchamp does have this option. It sees a gap in your video. And now if I select this trash can, it's going to automatically close that gap. So this is only a short 40-second video, but if your slideshow is 3, 4, 5 minutes, however long, and you're going to be moving clips around, there's going to be spots in your timeline where there will be gaps. This is going to be really helpful because it closes those gaps for you automatically with one click.